Welcome to the Golden Ladle, the home cooking channel. Let's make quick and easy capsicum rice, a great lunchbox recipe. In a thick bottomed pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. After they start spluttering, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 large green chilies vertically split and 1 tablespoon each of chopped ginger and garlic. Saute for a minute. Add 1 cup sliced onion and saute it till it's translucent. And 2 cups of chopped capsicum. Add salt as required. And 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Add 2 cups of cooked rice and mix gently. Now add 1/4 cup of fried groundnuts. And finally 1 teaspoon of ghee. Garnish it with a fistful of chopped coriander and it's done. Hot, spicy and nutritious. It fits every box. Let me know if you like the recipe in the comments below, and thanks for watching. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.